Oh my God, it's another big one. It's another big one. It's another big one. It's another big one. It's another, oh my gosh, it's another big one. Holy shit. This is the craziest freaking day ever. Oh my gosh, it's freaking huge. It's not as big as the last one, but it's a big one. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's another big one. Oh, oh my gosh, a freaking 4-pounder. Holy shit. Here comes a freaking boat. I don't want it to see me. Let's freaking go. Another freaking tank. Look at this. It's the craziest freaking 10 minutes of fishing I've ever had. Oh my gosh.